This is very basic tutorial for C# beginner programming. Okay, consoles. Okay, console F .NET framework. Okay, C# Windows console. Good. Next, project name, number guessing game. Okay, good. Create. We use the random class. So random keyword identifier as run equal new random. Okay, good. Next, integers winner. Okay, now we create the random number. Run dot next 0 to 100. This is generate the random numbers in between 0 and 100. And boolean of both. In this case, we use win equal false. This is for loop. Okay, to while loop. Okay. Win equal false. This do while loop is looping until the when is true. Okay. Now console the right line. Okay. You can see the number in between 0 and 100. Okay. Now we get the string. So string is console the right line. Okay. We convert the string into integer. So integer I equal in those pass methods we use pass methods as okay, which is the number I. So if I greater than winner, okay, this is console the right line. I greater than winner, so high gets lower. Gets lower. Okay, if I less than winner, low gets higher. Winner console the right line. Low gets higher. Okay, and then I equal winners. This is we win. Okay, as if I equal winner. Okay, console the right line. You win. Okay, semicolons. Oh, first one. This is. Oh, we need a semicolons. Another statement. Is okay. Winner. Win equal truth. Oh, this is breathe the loop. Okay, console the right line. This is another new line. Okay. Okay. Thanks for playing the game. Okay, console the right line. Thank you for playing the game. Okay, good. Next, console the right. Press any key to finish. Okay, good. And we get the key. Console the right key. Truth. If you enter the any key, is it the broken? Okay. Now the playing. Playing. Okay, 52. Oh, okay, slow. Okay, 52. Oh, nice. Okay, 50. Oh, guess higher. Okay, 20. Higher. Okay, 25. Oh, 30. Oh, this is only one number, 31. Yes, you win. Therefore, play the game. Press any key. Okay. This is the game. Thank you for watching.